All right, Friday, August 14th. I think I'm done. A couple of losses, and it's not looking like I mean, look at this chart. Look at this mess. Do you see how there's not really a trend? So I'm just trading out of boredom, really, which is not good. It's breaking the rules. But the reason why I bought into this stock is a very expensive stock, $271, but I was trying to do a channel trade between 270 and 277. This trend right here, this is above these three lines. That's very important. As you can see, when it's under the three lines, it goes down. When it's above the three lines, it goes up, right? So I saw this trend and I saw it break the morning high. So that is a trade plan, and it immediately got sold off. Now it's coming back. But you see, this is just, you see this volume up, down, up, down, up, down. It's just not a good day to trade. The other loss was this one. This was like, I was still making my coffee, so I kind of slept in. So this was a morning fader, they call this. So what this pattern is, you get this huge spike in pre-market, and then it fades into the open. And then a lot of times what happens is it curls back up to where it was before. This candle right here is a huge bull candle. Absolutely a time to buy this stock. The one rule that I broke, this is a new rule for me, is buying it under this gold line. This is called VWAP. So my new rule is I only buy above that. But I broke that rule because this was such a huge candle and immediately turned around and dumped. And so that's it. So those are my two trades. I don't think I'm going to do anything else. We got to get ready for this storm that's coming. It looks like we're just going to get some rain. The Big Island's going to get the brunt of it. But yeah, just not, I mean, if you look at the market, that's not good. It's not bad, but now it's curling back up. It's so annoying. I mean, I can't wait till this phase of the market is over. I've never been so annoyed as a trader as lately. Same thing here. This is the S&P 500. I mean, just sideways for 45 minutes and then sell off. I mean, so I don't know. Shitty week, I mean, I'm red this month, but I don't care. I really have learned lately that I'm really not doing myself a favor by focusing on the money and the profit and loss. I don't really focus on the money. That's why I'm trading with such a small amount, right? To keep the emotion out. But I really need to focus just on the process and the execution and just let everything play out. Whether or not I'm green that day or red that day doesn't really matter. What matters, because you can have 4 red days in a row and then have a green day that makes all that money back and then some. And that's what a lot of people do. So for a couple of weeks there, for the last week of July, I had a really good win and loss ratio. It was like a professional level. Like it got up to like 59%. I was winning more than I was losing. And that's how it should be. And the past week, I don't know, I kind of just got a little bored. There's not a lot of action. And when you're trading because you're bored, you're not trading, you're just fucking around. So that's totally fine. Every week is a new, another chance. And the way it's forecasted is that the rest of this month should be pretty lame like this, up and down, sideways. In September, everyone kind of comes back from the vacation, all the big rich traders that are in the Hamptons right now and, in Italy or whatever, they all come back in the fall. Their kids go back to school and they start trading. So the market gets flooded with people again. The run up to the election will be eventful, I'm sure. Trump ends the war. That's good for the market as well. So we'll see. I'm probably done for the day. I will keep my eye open. I always do. I always keep my finger on the market until the close. But I doubt I'll trade again. If a good opportunity, if an A+, none of these were A+ setups. So if I just trade A+ setups, like A+ setups means it's a box checker. That one earlier, this was a box checker. What makes it a box checker is a small float under 15 million, right? Float rotation, it's traded 17 million shares. It's only got 1.7 million shares, okay? It did not have news though. So it's not exactly a box checker. And it wasn't above that. Okay, it wasn't a box checker. That was like a C plus setup. So when I just stick only with the A plus setups, that's usually when my win and loss rate is around 50%, and that's when you're profitable and you have a green week or a green month. So I'm just gonna focus on that. It's gonna be a stormy weekend, so I'll do a lot of study and a lot of review. I'll use AI to look back at the month of July and see time of day, I traded, size, all that stuff, like analytical. I'll continue reading and watching some mentor stuff. And that's it. The more I don't care about whether I'm red or green, the better I become as a trader. So that's it.